Vision UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive and responsive state university. Mission UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Core values: impetus, I. Innovativeness, M. Motivation, P. Professionalism, E. Excellence, T. Transparency and accountability, U. Unity and teamwork, S. Sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et virtus in posterum. Wisdom and virtue for the future. College goals. The program prepares students to be IT professionals, both local and global context, who are expected to be well versed in application, installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors, which are capable of contributing in research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information technology. Objectives: the graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer systems, processes, and the main body of knowledge being in the information technology field. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as IT systems, IT specialist, web or mobile applications developer, network engineer, database administrator, cloud professional, and system administrator. Cap- Capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which include earning higher learning degrees of completing professional advancement training. The graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member of a leader of team, communicate effectively and ensure social ethical responsibilities in the community and in their profession. Dreams and visions within the minds of nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Man endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. Visitors singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, it close to every heart. You are motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching souls. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long cry the sweet and enlightened minds. The prime has completely in our endeavor. We share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men. For reaching we shine. They're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC.